Hey guys, how are you all? In this video, I'm gonna show you that how can you use Twitter Circle on your Android mobile phone on or your desktop on website. So how can you do that? Firstly, you just have to go on your Google Chrome on your mobile phone presently. So this is my Twitter account and I've opened it on desktop side. You can do it on your phone, on your Android website, and also on your PC. So firstly, you just have to go on the right bottom of the screen of the tweet option here. Like if I click it, wait a second. So this is the option of the tweet, and I will just type hi for example, and you can see there is an option called selecting your audience, and it's currently on everyone. I will just select it and wait a second, and yes, you can see there is an option called Twitter Circle, and I will just click on it, and it will be shared to only my circle, my selected persons on the Twitter. So this is the video. Thank you so much for watching this, and please subscribe the channel if you liked.